guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing a few cute outfits with you. Back to work, church, business, just name it. And the whole concept is about denim, so the way you can style denim to more official place. Feel free to use denim you already have in your existent wardrobe. Something that you find a little bit interesting, continue watching, and don't forget to subscribe and let me know your favorite outfit. Guys, the first outfit I will be starting with the one I'm wearing. I love these pieces. I think they are quite simple, easy. I think every one of us have button down cami. It doesn't need to be, it can be another color. So it depends on your office or your working environment or your destination. I love a good white button down cami. I have it in different shape, different size, different. I decided to go for this, and this one is from the men's section from H&M. I love this particular one because it just gives the guy vibe, but at the same time it's not oversized, so it's not overwearing me. I decided to style it with these barrow jeans. I love these barrow jeans. If you're a fan of my channel, you know that I love these jeans. It's one of my favorite. What I really love about this denim is that it's still quite office appropriate. It's a barrow denim. It looks nice in my body type. So I need to take my body type in consideration when I'm purchasing items. I love this particular one because it's not doing too much. It's not like super exaggerate. It's size 8 for reference. It's from Zara. I love this particular one. I love the wash because it's not white, but at the same time it's not dark wash. It's giving brown neutral, depends on the sense of your light. I really love this particular one. Like this button that came, I intentionally leave this button this way. I didn't button it because I have intention to throw a blazer on this particular outfit with a neutral belt. For me, this is like office uniform outfit. A silver earring and this Michael Kors necklace. It's barely minimal there, just elevate my neck, my face, but at the same time it's not exaggerated, it's not overdoing it. This is my uniform. I decided to share what I'm wearing this week with you because, come on, this is the beginning of September. But this week outfit, everything is about denim. So I just decided, why not share it? You are going to see different type of denim, but in more official situation. So if you are running errands with the kids, you are going to school, you want to take the kids to the school, you will find one or two outfits for work, for more business, for church, like office appropriate situation. This is the right video for you. I will be sharing different type of outfits. So let's conclude this outfit. I'm going to throw this amazing gorgeous blazer. Just look at this blazer. You will see it when I'm wearing, I think, because the light might not make it justice now. I love this blazer. It's very office appropriate. It's nice. It's giving the elegance. Even those days that you don't know what to wear, I would say go for this kind of pieces. You cannot really go wrong. I've been styling this blazer for years, and I can guarantee you that it actually worth the mirror. Sorry, I've been turning a little bit just to see mirror on my side. I just want to flip a little bit of the neckline of the cami on top of the blazer, just a little bit, not necessarily the back. There's just something about it. I like the look, I like the aesthetic. Like I said, I decided to intentionally not button the cami. I just love the whole look. It's giving office, but it's not too button down kind of effect. It's still giving free, but not too much. You still want to look put together. Then I will style it with this nice decollete. As you can see, the heel is barely minimal. So this video is going to be very realistic. This is what I'm going to be wearing in this week. So it's about office, it's about work, it's about official situation. So this is my pair of heel of choice. But this is what I can actually work with. I can work with this particular one for hours. So actually, because it was a little bit rough, I actually intentionally cleaned it up for this video because normally the color does not look super shiny every day like this. So I'm going to throw this Coach bag on it just to give the old neutral denim look effect. Like you can actually style denim up to office, still looking put together. Something else I will add to it is just wristwatch. So for me, this is quite office outfit. Some items is there, but it's not too much. So what do we think? So this is my first look of this video. So let's move to the next outfit. The next number I will be sharing is this particular denim. It's very simple. It's still kind of giving barrow denim, but it's quite tight, so it's not like super exaggerated. I don't know if you can see the fit. It's quite simple. Like if you're somebody that is not fan of barrow denim, you can go for this type because it's giving the fit but without exaggerating with the aesthetic. That's the way I can actually explain this particular one. I decided to add this brown body. I just add this little scarf on the front because the jeans, I love the way it fits me on the waistline. So it doesn't really need belt. I just add it for aesthetic reason because I love the look. So it's just about the aesthetic instead of belt. So you can switch it for belt if you prefer. So it depends on your sense of fashion. So I'm going to throw this short trench coat on it. It's just a simple Q, a old OG from Zara, nothing special. I love it because it's very season appropriate. It's not doing too much, but it's still giving the elegance, the aesthetic. And if you prefer, if you're somebody that does not love the exaggerate shape, you can actually add any brown belt of your choice, but I don't mind. I actually like the aesthetic. I love the fact that it's giving, because I actually size up intentionally just to have the aesthetic. It's about the aesthetic at times. So I'm going to add this animane. I don't know if you can see the heel. It's barely minimal, so practical. It's very practical because I'm styling barrow denim most of the time, so I take point heel in consideration. It just look nice and I'm a little bit curved. It just elongate my leg, make me look a little better. So take your body type, take your aesthetic in consideration. So take this video as an inspiration to style your denim to office, creating the aesthetic but using items you have in your closet. I love that it have a little bit black, brown going on, so it's not like too matching, but it's still giving the aesthetic that you need to give. So I'm going to conclude this outfit with this bag. Like, don't play with this bag. This bag is from H&M. Like, it can take a lot. It looks tiny, but it can really take a lot. It can take a bottle of water, a little umbrella, car key, house key, touch up lipstick, tissue paper. Like, it can take a lot. So I really love this bag and I love the aesthetic. It's giving grown mama, it's giving grown auntie. In fact, that I can actually put it in my shoulder. It's very comfortable, you know. For a tiny bag, does not really, it's not like it's something that is very easy to find a bag that is tiny, but it's still very comfortable on the shoulder. I don't know if you can see it because it's a little bit long, so it's very comfortable. Of course, you can actually still create the own Instagram vibe, you know, the old no salad, the old no salad. But we know that when you are going to work, you have to think of the practicality. So especially when you are coming back after 8 hours, you need something that's going to your shoulder. You are like, really? We are not doing this. Anyway, this is the look. So what do we think? This is the second outfit. Simple, cute, OG, classic. The next one is this cropped denim. I really love this denim because it's kind of like your everyday denim. You don't really need to do too much. You can throw tee, camel, blazer, trench coat, do you boo. So this one is quite classic. I really love this one because it's very simple to style, and I love the wash. I don't mind because it's giving vintage, classic, so it's not doing too much. So I decided to add this scarf to it, to the waist. Feel free to switch it for your favorite bit. I decided to add scarf just to give it a little bit dimension, you know, just to give it a little bit something, but still office appropriate. As you can see, it's not doing too much, but it's there. It's giving the aesthetic, but without overpowering the old look. So that is the key, especially when you are searching for an official outfit or work. You have to take your items, your accessory in consideration. You can accessorize, but you have to make sure that it's not overwearing the look or the aesthetic or even you. So I'm going to throw OG oversized black blazer. You cannot really go wrong. So I believe that you have one of these in your wardrobe. What I love about oversized black blazer is like your everyday uniform, and a nice one will really work in your wardrobe for years coming. So as you can see, the look is quite simple, but it's still giving elegant, classic. I love this type of look. You don't really need to do too much, and the body is from Zara, so it's just classic. I just decided to, because they were selling it I think 2 3 years ago. The only difference that you can see, it is a little bit loose. I decided to pick 2X, like is normally M, because it's quite elastic, but I didn't want it to be fitted, because when I picked this body, I knew that I'm going to take it to the office. So take your destination in consideration. It's not about the size, it's about the aesthetic, it's about the way it makes you feel, the way it makes you look. Like after lunch, my stomach, I know that it's not going to be the attention of the situation. You know where I mean, my ladies. So as you can see, it's quite oversized, although it's a body. So because it's a body, it doesn't need to be bodycon. So take your destination in consideration. So I'm going to add this heel. As you can see, the heel is barely minimum. This is one of my most wearing shoes, and I receive a lot of compliments when I'm styling it. As you can see, it's quite pointed. So when you are styling denim, especially if you're a little bit cool, take this type of shoe in consideration, especially if it is a barrel denim, you need this type of heel. It's very comfortable. It's like styling your slippers or your favorite sneakers. But it's still giving dress up look, it's still giving the aesthetic, because for work, for me, comfort is essential, but I still want to give the aesthetic, like I know what I'm doing, I'm wear dress up. Because on Sundays when you are going out, it's once in a week. When you are going to work, it's 5 times in a week or 6 times. So depends on your destination, depends on your work, depends on your environment. So take that in consideration. Amazing gas bag. This is one of my fave. As you can see, it can actually go to the shade, especially when I'm taking public transport, lunch, umbrella, everything. You know the season, the rain is making guest of himself, no we. So this is the look. So it's still office appropriate, but it's giving dress up. You can go to meeting, you can go to your kids' school, you can go to a different type of situation, church. You still look very put together, elegant, but the outfit is not screaming. And don't forget to leave me comment below. Let me know your fave, and let me know the way you will style it, or maybe a little bit twist that you will give, like I mean in official situation appropriate. Yeah, this is one of my favorite. The next one I will be styling is this amazing barrel white denim. Another one of my favorite. I don't know if you can see, the aesthetic is very clean, it's nice. It's a barrel denim, but it's still giving elegant, chic. It's not exaggerating. A nice body. I don't know if you can see the body in this color, maybe the black, you couldn't see it. Like, I decided to size up. M will have do this shape of this body. So do you boo when you are picking items, when you are shopping, take your body type in consideration, because I knew that I wanted to style it to office. So as you can see, it's very super free, but I didn't want it to be super tight. So I decided to take 2 sizes up in this particular body. I love the old look. It's not restrictive, it's not showing too much, but it worked with my blazer, because I style a lot of blazer and short coats, or just name it. I love having items, like I'm kind of coat blazer person when it comes to official situations. So I decided to invest in body. So these are body from Zara. I bought it, like I said, last 2 years, and the wash is very nice, so you don't even need to iron it. I really like it. I don't know if they have it this year, but it's very comfortable. So if you're like me, a little bit cool, just take in consideration to size, or maybe 1 size or 2 sizes, but I decided to take it 2 sizes up, but it looked nice. That is the most important thing. So I'm going to throw this decote on it. It's very belly minimum. As you can see, it's nice. It's giving the pointy, but without having the heel that is screaming. The heel is very nice, so you can actually walk all day. So like I said, this is my outfit for this week, so take that in consideration. Feel free to add a piece of heel that is more higher than this, but this is just me. I need practicality. Like, this is very comfortable. I can walk with hours, but I still have the pointed, because you can create the aesthetic but without like using the actual heel, because normally people will say a heel, Now all you need is a heel that have pointed heel. So whether the heel is kidney heel, belly minimal, so it's just the front, the aesthetic of the front of the shoe. I think that is what I'm trying. That is the most important one. I'm going to throw this old blazer. If you're a fan of Zara, you know that this blazer like maybe 11, 12, maybe even more than. Let me comment below if you have idea. I know that this one is super old, but he's still working on his morning, and it's still very official, appropriate. So I'm using white, I'm using color, but it's still in a way that is office appropriate. So it's giving chic, it's giving elegant, it's not screaming. Silver accessories, Michael Kors necklace, so nothing too much. We are not doing too much. A nice Zara OG, very summer slash other season. I style it all over the year, so do you boo? No, people will say no, it's a white bag, you have to style it for summer. I style it all over. If you look nice with the outfit, you are going with me. So do you boo? So this is the aesthetic, this is the look. So let me know in the comment section what you would think and which one is your favorite. The next one, or the last one, I think this is the last outfit, is a classic barrow black denim. I think it's quite office appropriate because it's not doing too much. It's there, it's quite Friday outfit. I love this particular one. It's simple and it's very comfortable because it's a little bit elasticate, so it's not like too rigid. So take that in consideration. I really love it. The length is very nice. Practically, you can actually style this up in the evening out if you prefer, but this is the way I will style it for more official situation. I decided to add this short classic leather jacket on it. It's very simple, nothing too much. So it's quite total black outfit, but the look put together, very elegant. I will top it with my fave. So as you can see, we are going for a total black elegant outfit. Feel free to switch this for a black blazer. So I just decided to add a little bit OG leather jacket, you know, just to give a little bit edgy to the outfit. I really love this particular one. I think this particular one, you can actually style it to different destinations. It's not doing too much. It's very nice, especially those rainy days. This is perfect for office. And I love the fact that this leather jacket, because of the neckline, is giving blazer, is giving elegant. It's not too, the aesthetic is not too rigid, it's not too it's not too street style. That is the way I would describe it. So it's still quite put together, very office appropriate. You can actually style it as a blazer because it's not rigid, it's very soft. And this particular one is very old, so take that in consideration. I will add one of my fave new bag. I really love the combination. See, the outfit is very simple. Old denim, old leather jacket, old belt. The shoe is super old, but they look put together. So this is what I love when I'm styling items, when I'm buying items, when I'm purchasing items. I need you to work with other items I have in wardrobe in every season. So let's normalize styling up our items all over again. I shop a lot, but I wear my items. Even my items from 15 to up to 20 years, I still wear it today. So let me know your favorite outfit. Leave me comment below. If you want to see any other kind of video from me, I just decided to share with you my look of the week of September. Now back to work. Let me know if you want to see maybe tailored pants. Leave me comment below, or even pencil skirts. Subscribe and don't forget to leave me comment below. Bye bye.